Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. A woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. How is the man related to the woman? And here is a variance of the answers. As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So if you solve this problem correctly, you should get a pedigree as follows. So here is a couple that has two children, a male and female child, and both of them are married, and this couple has a girl, and this couple has a boy. Now let's follow the logic of the problem again. A woman introduces a man, and here is going to be a woman that introduces a man, and she introduces this man. So again, let me underline. So a woman introduces a man as the son, and this man is the son of the brother of her mother. So this person here is going to be a brother of the mother of this woman. And again, the son of the brother of her mother would be her cousin. And this is answer C. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.